Welcome to Easy and Home Style Cooking. I love baking. Today I'm going to show you a baking recipe, and that too kids will love the most, and this is nothing but cupcakes. So today I'm going to show you a cupcake with orange juice, and this you can call it as orange, and we are going to add some choco chips in it and orange choco chips cupcakes. So let's start how to make it. Even kids can make this simple cake, dear friends. In this summer, let them try different kinds of recipes. So here, to start off with, we need 50 grams of butter. So this is unsalted butter, 50 grams, and we are going to take 80 grams of powdered sugar. And first we are going to whisk this nicely so that the butter and the sugar powder will mix nicely. And always whenever you are making bakery items, your butter should be at room temperature, then only you can mix it nicely. So this I am going to cream it nicely. Here you can see I have nicely mixed it, and now we are going to add in this 1 egg. For 50 grams of butter, we are going to add 1 egg. So just we are going to add egg. So friends, here you can see I have added little by little egg and I mixed it nicely. And now we are going to add the orange juice. You can just take 30 ml of orange juice, add little by little and mix it. And also vanilla essence and some orange zest, and just keep this aside. Now we are going to take 100 grams of all purpose flour. In this we are going to add pinch of baking soda and pinch of baking powder, and also the choco chips. Just mix this once. Always my husband says for bakery you need to measure the quantity correct, then only you will get an excellent bakery products. And now we are going to put the flour in this egg mixture. Always I tell, if you don't have a weighing machine, you can just take 1 cup of measurement, and always see that you can use the same cup for measuring. Our mixture is ready to go into our molds. The oven I have preheated for 180 degrees centigrade, and here I have the cupcake molds, and this is silicone. If you want, you can apply little bit butter, but not required because it's a silicone. It will come automatically. Now we are going to put this mixture in our molds. If you have a scoop, then you can use the scoop. I am going to fill all the cupcakes. So dear friends, in the last, clean your dish, spatula, everything, and this is all ready to bake. When we were kids, we used to make cakes, and in the last we used to lick the bowl and the spoon. We used to make it clean. We love this mixture and nice orange flavor. So difference, this I am going to bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes, or it will be less than that because it's a cupcakes. So I am going to bake this. Dear friends, here is our orange choco chips cupcakes are ready. You can see how nicely they puffed up. Nice, yummy, isn't it? Now we can just demold this. Very easily this will come out because it's a silicone molds. We are going to just rest this for some time. We are going to just give a frosting on top of this. If you want, you can even put some cream, icing sugar on top, but today I am going to put some frosting on top. And dear friends, if you see, we did not get the orange color because we used the orange juice, which is not the store bought or not colored. The fresh orange we squeezed in and we used it. If you want, you can put little bit of orange color, then you will get an excellent orange color cupcakes. So this is all ready. Now I am just going to put some frosting on top of it, and then we are going to have this. So friends, to make frosting, first we need some orange juice. You can use the store bought orange juice. So here is the orange juice. What you can do is you can take some fresh orange juice and add little bit of sugar, and if you want a nice orange color, then add some color and you can make this orange juice. We are just going to heat up this, and then we are going to add the icing sugar. You can take half a cup of icing sugar. Just mix this nicely. We are going to just melt this, how you make your 1 string sugar syrup, the same way. So friends, here you can see the syrup is ready. You need to just hold the spoon like this and it should fall like this. Just switch off the flame. See how nicely it's one string consistency. Now we are going to just rest this for some time and then we are going to put it on top of our cupcakes. Syrup has nicely rested for some time and you can see, just try it little bit, it should fall like this, and this strings we are going to put it on top of our muffins, on our cupcakes. So just take very little. If your syrup is thick, then you cannot put this strings. Take one cupcake, take very little. Dear friends, I am not that expert in this, What you can do is, if it is dropping in lumps, first let it, the lump may fall down very slowly. The thin strings, let it fall on the muffin. If you make couple of them, automatically you can make an excellent frosting. So this is all ready to serve your family. These are awesome. Little bit soft and the choco chips in between, the crunchiness, and if you see, the choco chips have not melted too much and I can feel the choco chips in between, and the frosting on top is giving nice sweety texture and the flavor. These are superb. We love sweets. Dear friends, if you love the simple cupcakes, try to make it and feed your family fresh, and also share it with your friends so that everybody can have the